Sounds like a car alarm, isn't it? Did it somebody had the car alarm going off there one day?
Yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
know what he said.
Yeah. Hello? Well, we've got to do the noise at the same time then.
Oh my God. Are you doing it?
Yeah, he says it deeper in, oh, he goes, hello. That one over there.
Hello.
Check out that mohawk. Hello.
She does like a little dance.
Where are you going? Say bye bye now. No, you just keep saying hello. Hannah, stop making that noise.
What is she doing?
Well, I've got it on film so you can watch it in a minute. Bye bye. You say that?
Bye bye.